This will be an interesting journey. I hate being in front of the camera and I suck at it, so might as well do it, right? It is December 31st, 2020. I have this pretty sweet Porsche 944 here in front of me, waiting to get fixed by some idiot teenager. That's me. That's where I come in. That's my play, all right? That's what we do here. I bought 2 of these cars. I have 2 of them. Plan is to make both of them run. This is the worst of the 2. I'm gonna try to get this one to run first. Drive this around, get a feel for this one, and I'd like to do an LS swap on the other one. So, decided, why not film this? Because you know, it's New Year's Eve. Might as well start something new. What could go wrong? Right? So this is how I'm gonna start it. Let's start with taking the airbox off of this thing. I'm pretty sure it's unbolted. Previous owner already got to it, so I think this should be pretty easy. Just lift up here, take that off, slide that out. Yeah. Oh, look, bolt's already inside, ready for me. Somebody's been in here. Looks like I just got a 10mm bolt to take out. Let's get my 10mm. First bolt taken out, let's see. That right there is the wrong way to take the airbox out. So next, I'm gonna try to go for the throttle body, I'm guessing. I don't really know the names of all these Porsche stuff, so let's do that. Looks like it's just got a plug on the back. It just pulls out. Oh, look, this one was already unbolted for me. I didn't have to do anything. Interesting. Alrighty, so we're gonna try to remove this line. I want to get this out of the way because I'm trying to do the head gasket. So let's see if we can get that cruise control disconnected. Just like that. And that should that comes right off. Then this rubber piece. Yep. Just like that. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this throttle body removed. Looks like we're gonna have to take the cable off. I'm gonna try to take this piece off. Maybe that'll help get to what I need to get to there. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna start by removing the spring. So it'll make it a little bit easier, hopefully. Now it looks like there's a 3/16 Allen hidden right behind this plate down here, so let's go ahead and see if we can get that out real quick. I'd like to disconnect all these lines, so it looks like we have a vacuum line here, here, and it looks like there's one last one on this side, so I'm going to have to get a few more things to get those off. be a 19, and the other one is going to be a 17. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver to undo the plastic clips. My number 1 Phillips here. Unplug our injectors. So go ahead and pull all the bolts off to get the intake manifold off. So it's going to be, you're going to have 8 HW6 Allens in there. Now we'll go ahead and take off the 10mm bolt back here. This one right here. Now's a good time to vacuum all that garbage, dirt, and debris out of there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. So that will conclude part 1. I think the next part, I'm going to go ahead and drain the coolant. We'll get all the coolant out of there, so we'll be able to take all these coolant hoses off of this. And then we'll be able to go from there. We should have the head off in the next part. And then we'll be able to clean the head, get all the valves ready, pull the valves out of this one, see what we have, and that's it for this part. So stay tuned for the next part and, you know, watch the progress, see how this goes. Thank you.